Hello, clock collectors. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the gigantic Westminster Chime mantel clock. This clock is very huge compared to the other ones I have. Like, look at the size of it. But yeah, this one sounds exactly like the Daniel Dakota, but this is actually the quarter striking variant. That's right. I'm very excited I now have the quarter striking variant. One thing I kind of want to explain here. The clock didn't used to chime on the exact, 12 minute. The reason why is because the movement was a little crooked. So I kind of fussed with it, and now it chimes at the 12 now, instead of just like after 12 or before 12. That's about as fast as the pendulum moves, by the way. Or as much as the pendulum moves. But yeah. This clock is very gorgeous. It's a very big clock. Yeah. Here's the top. The speaker is for the chime is actually at the back. Oh, it's about to chime, so I'm gonna shut up. Yeah. I love this clock. It's a very nice clock. And this is actually, for the record, the biggest mantle clock I currently have. So yeah. Let me move this one at the front so I can show you guys the door open. So I can do a view of the inside if I wanted to. Here it is. It's a very nice clock. I don't think you can see the movement. No, you can't. Let's see if I can try and get the movement on camera. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it looks like. Yeah. This was actually a gift from my stepmom. She got it on Bidding Wars. It's very nice that my stepmom got this for me. Hang on, my camera's going out of focus. I don't know what's wrong. But yeah. They actually, this one actually, like I said before, sounds like the Daniel Dakota, but this is the quarter striking variant, which means it chimes every 15 minutes. What's sad is that I actually ordered the same exact movement this one has online, because I didn't think this one chimed. But I guess I was wrong, and now I'm going to have two clocks that sound the exact same. Well, technically three, but two clocks that do the same... Sorry, the exact same thing. So yeah, I guess I'll put this one back. So yeah, that's all. See you guys later.